finally got the wheels assembled. It turns out that the smaller part of the white wall wheels does go towards the front of the tire, and it fits onto this, and then the tire fits around it more easily. My problem was I was trying to get it to work, fit on the other way, and it rolls just fine. And also, the wheels have been assembled. I mean, the dashboard has been assembled. So if you turn it this way, there's the assembled dashboard, there's the assembled body and wheels. Now, it does seem, I don't know if you'd be able to see it, but it does seem you might be able to do some detail painting on these display panels here. There's the seat that becomes an ejector seat in Ghostbusters Afterlife and Frozen Empire. So we're getting somewhere. And if you take a look at the guide, you can see the progress I've made, how step 2 has now been completed. Now, as far as step 1 is concerned, and yes, I know we're down to 40 minutes only, 40 seconds only, I think there are 6 holes to put the this in place, but I think I'd be able to actually do a test fit and determine how much of the lights I can assemble. I mean, for instance, you know, the top bar fits there, so you have at least some room to put some of the spotlights in place, behind and in front of it, without interfering with anything else.